Hello, my friends. This is Sandy. This video is going to walk us through my Serene Scenes Botanical 6-page workshop. So in your kit, you've got a little Ziploc bag that's got all of these, the gold embellishments, the teeny tiny little pieces that are part of the Serene Scenes card kit, a sheet of 5 butterflies from the paper butterfly accents. These uh, pieces here, 1, 2, 3, are part of that Serene Scenes card kit. Absolutely amazing card kit. It's sold out a couple of times. I think it's back in stock now. Highly recommend if you like quick and easy cards. This is how they come. They're already gorgeous. You just put these frames around them and it adds fun dimension. The frames, let me pull these out of our little pile of goodies. So this middle piece just punches right out, and you've got these frames that match perfectly so that you line sky up with sky to create that frame, and sky and grass, make sure the green's on the bottom. And crazy good, right? It's crazy good. And then this one right here. Hardly any work to create these, okay? So that's what comes in your little zippy bag and all the extras. Your kit contains 3 different sections of projects: the green pages, the yellow pages, and the blue pages. And everything you need to make those pages are right there. What does it make? Let's see. All right, so we've got, I think this one goes, yeah, this one goes like this. So the stamp set and ink that I used is what came in the Serene Scenes kit. So if you get the Serene Scenes brown box kit that came live, I think May 1st, it comes with this stamp set and the gray granite mini ink. That's all you really need to finish this up, or whatever inks and stamps you want, or it's so beautiful you probably don't even need any. So you've got your green pieces that go down, then your vellum, the 5-inch and the 3-inch on opposite sides. Add your photo wells. And then again, I showed you how to do that. I put mine on foam so it's even deeper. And then one of the trees, that's one of the punch outs. The tree, a little sign there. We've got all these fun little gold embellishments, the flowers. These are cut out of which strip? You've got these 2 strips of paper in the front. You're going to just cut out certain sections of them, and that's what these flowers are here. So pretty much everything purple is going to go on this page. And that's it. Easy peasy. This one here goes like this. All right, so we've got our bigger piece of vellum here. It touches the left side, and you've got 4 inches showing of that base page. Then on this base page, you're framing this top, right, and bottom so that there's a 1/2 of an inch frame on that piece there. This blue piece overlaps about a 1/2 of an inch. You've got these strips of paper that you're going to tear if you so choose and layer on top of the blue pieces. Add your photo wells. We've got some fun little embellishments. Again, all of this stuff is just things that I've cut out of that vellum paper. So as much or as little of the cutting as you'd like to do to get those pieces to add the embellishment. But all the gold ones are part of your little goodie bag. Bring that up close so you can see all the goodness. So fun, right? This section here too. Got lots and lots of layers of flowers and butterflies. All right, and our final page for this kit, you've got your this way, purple in the middle. Purple, so your 1.5 inch pieces, then your 1/2 inch strip of blue, your 3 inch by 12 pieces of green, your 6 by 10 pieces of floral. So that's the base. Then you've got your photo wells, add your clusters of embellishments. The sentiments all again came from this stamp set. Cut out as many of those flowers as you want. And oh, this was kind of fun. I put that little kind of circly guy down in there so it looks almost like the sunshine coming from behind the frame. These guys go on top. That is Serene Scenes Botanical 6 page. I think I have one of each of the 2 page kits left, and that is it of this one. Thanks for watching. Tell me what you've done with the Serene Scenes card kit.